It's not so much the water that hardens the gum as much as it is the temperature. The long strands that gives chewing gum its elasticity seize up when it gets cold. The water is cold enough to make the gum less elastic, which makes it harder to chew. This is also why gum will harden up if we take it out of our mouths for a couple of minutes. We're only able to chew bubblegum because the warmth of the inside of our mouth softens the gum. Gum becomes much easier to get out of a hair when it's cold. If gum ever gets stuck in your hair, run it under cold water for a minute before removing it. Warm water will make the gum stretchier and thus harder to remove.